What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree, or Aubrianna, as y'all know me on this channel, and I am back with another video. And as you read by the title, I'm gonna be doing DIY, like kind of like eyelash extensions or whatever. I've never actually had eyelash extensions. I've always been the strip type of girl, but I got my makeup done a little bit. I don't have my eyelashes on yet because they're right here. It took me a good minute to do my makeup because I'm running out of a whole lot of things. But yeah, I think it came out pretty decent. This is kind of how I do my makeup every time. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Y'all, I'm learning just as y'all are learning, but I've been seeing this trend on like little clips on TikTok and some on not YouTube. What's it called? Instagram. Well, I did see one on YouTube. I seen one on YouTube, but you basically get your strip eyelashes. These are the eyelashes I'm gonna be using. It's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna use these. I do actually really like these. I actually have another pair, but they're a little bit more full. I didn't want to use the ones that were really full because I'm gonna just use them like it is, you know, the strip lash. First, there's a whole bunch of tape wrapped around it because at the beauty supply store that I go to, I actually used to work there, but they like have to really tape stuff up because too many people be stealing up in there. People will steal the eyelashes out the thing, and then you'll find a little cart just sitting somewhere on the aisle. Okay, now how else do I open these? Ugh. Gosh, I gotta use these scissors. What the fuck? God. Okay, now let's open this part. Okay, I don't have tweezers, so let me get some tweezers real quick. Okay, I got my little tweezers, and now this is open, and they look like this. Come on. They're pretty full looking, you know, that can be deceiving. So what I see is you're supposed to take it out the thing. Got a fuzz on here. But okay, take it out. I'm trying to be really careful not to like pull the little hairs because these are very thin. Like it's like no band pretty much. If you can even see. It's really hard. But there's like no band. Okay. Then my glue, I have this Star Glue eyelash adhesive. I have honestly never used this. My mom got me this a while back. Normally I use this one that I keep in my bag. It's the Super Flex Rubber type eyelash adhesive in black. I use this one and it has like a little brush on it. But yeah, I usually use that one. I'm gonna go ahead and take my glasses off. Hang on. And they say you're supposed to cut them in like sections. So how big is my eye? So I'm gonna cut it like right here. I'm so scared, y'all. I really hope this works. Dang, it don't even want to cut. Okay. I got the first one. And I'm going to sit that right here. Then you're just supposed to keep cutting them. I don't really know why you can't just glue it, but you know, it is what it is. Then I'm going to just cut it again. Okay. I believe you start cutting it smaller, like in smaller pieces, the higher up you go. I'm trying to get them in order. Then cut it again. I really hope this comes out right. I hope it stays on my eyes. Cut it. No, hold on. Let me cut this little plastic piece off. There's no point in having that extra. I'm gonna cut it there. I'm getting towards the front. And then I'm actually just gonna leave this piece this wide. Okay, hold up, you can't see. This wide, just because, I don't know, in case I need to add extra. I just got the glue and I put it on top of this. I don't know why I didn't show y'all, but I just put it at the top. I'm gonna use this side of my tweezers And they say to put it, instead of putting it on the back part, put it on the top part because you're putting it under your eye. Y'all, I'm so scared. I'm not gonna lie to you. So let me put it on this side. It's really hard to show y'all. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see. Y'all get the point though? Do y'all get the point? Putting it on the opposite side. The reason I decided to use this glue is because my glue that I have, that I use all the time, it doesn't really last when it gets wet. So, especially putting it at the bottom, nah. Okay, let me get my little mirror. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Give me a second. I had to move y'all over so I can put a little mirror right here. It says to wait 30 seconds. So, sorry, y'all. My son came to tell me the food is done. I'm trying to scoot closer so I can see and then y'all can see better. Okay, then you're supposed to like pull it. I'm so scared. Just got my mouth all open and y'all are probably like, girl, close your mouth. Oh, that's cute. It's not even bothering me. Let me see, hold on. Let me do a couple blinks. It's bothering me a little bit. Not like a bad bother, but you know, like whenever it just feels like your bottom eyelash is touching your top eyelash. That's just how it feels. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut a little bit of this off because it's too much of the plastic on there. I'm just gonna repeat the step. Remember, put it on the front, not the back. I'm putting it on the front and kind of like the top. And then I'm wiping this off. I have a makeup towelette thing right here. Ah. The reason I kept this one bigger is so that if I want to add extra, then up. Add it again. Sorry y'all, my other eye is like drying out. I need to get one of those other little eyelash things. I'm just trying to make sure that they're on there. Oh, my finger got stuck to it, so I pulled it off. I'm probably like, back your ugly ass up. Okay. Next piece is this piece over here. And just, oh, I dropped it. And just repeat. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm so quiet. This is like something I feel like you gotta concentrate on. You can't just chitty chat. This is cute though, just like this, because I like a certain type of a look. I like this, I do. Instead of having all the eyelashes all the way over here. Sorry, y'all. My eye got a little foggy. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I think I had kind of got some glue in my eye because my eye started going foggy. That's why I ripped that hoe off so quick. I don't really use this one anymore, so I'm gonna just kind of brush it. And I'm going to pinch it a little bit more. When doing this, y'all be careful, because I'll be pinching this shit out of myself. I swear there's not like a gap that I'm missing. It's just like the way these type of eyelashes are. It looks like there's a gap missing. I don't even know how you're supposed to brush eyelashes. I probably looked crazy doing that. I got glue in my eye, I think. My eyes keep going like a little blurry. Not like in a bad way, y'all. Don't think it's just like, oh my god, do not do this. Like, no, it's just me. I'm trying to get it. Trying to make sure I don't pull it off when I'm holding it like that, because that's what happened to me the first time I just did it. I got like a piece kind of, y'all see that right there? It's not poking me in my eye or anything, but it's irritating. Not like irritating to my eye. I don't know how to put it, like, say it. Oh, I look really white. So hold on now. Oh, now a little too dark. What the fuck? Okay. You gotta make sure you're holding your tweezers the right way. These are cute. Should I add one to the front, do y'all think? Or should I leave it like this? It's cute though. I like it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my other eye. And then I'm gonna come back and I might add a little bit, maybe one. So let me just go ahead and do that while I'm on camera. So here's the rest. It's a good thing I kept this. And gonna cut a very small piece off because I don't want to do it too big, especially since it's in the front. Pretty small. My eyes drying out. Hold on. Okay, this is cute. I think I'm done. Maybe I'm gonna keep looking at it whenever I get done. I'm gonna do my other eyelash and then I'll be back. I had to put on a jacket because I got cold, but I am done. I actually really like it. I think they came out good. Let me see so y'all can oh wait, okay, let's do this eye. Oh, you can see. Hold on. Okay, my eyelashes are getting a little stuck, not like from the stuff, but I have put a little bit of mascara on this side because it's not curling up as good as this side is. This is what the bottom looks like. It's a little raggedy, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, y'all, this was my first time. This side is a lot more smooth than this side, as you can see. Let me I look crazy, but It's because for some reason, y'all know how eyelashes are, one lash will be more full than the other one, and this eyelash was a little bit more fuller, so I ended up having to go and add about two or three more pieces. I had to add an extra piece over here to the end because it was not full like this one was, and I'm basically just like curling it like that. I don't know what you're supposed to use to like keep up with eyelashes or nothing, because I'm used to just taking them off at night. But yeah, I think they came out really good. I say y'all should give this a try. I would say get a better adhesive. I mean, this has really stuck. Like, my eyes were kind of watering and it didn't come off or anything, but I do really like them. I think it's cute. Hopefully they last me at least a couple days. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep in them and everything. I'm going to vlog the process of them, like every morning when I wake up, or every night, or sometime throughout the day, of like how they're holding up and everything. Let y'all know how long they've lasted, which is using this Star Glue eyelash adhesive, and then just some regular eyelashes from the beauty supply store. I do want to try it with like the actual little pieces. So the beauty supply stores open back up, I will go and, you know, look. I rather look online, look in store than online, because then I can actually see how long they are and everything. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And yeah, like, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Bye, bitches.